Hi guys, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make a hummingbird and prism ornament for the Christmas tree for the holidays. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach our prism to the bottom of the hummingbird. These are so beautiful. They're faceted all the way around and they make beautiful rainbows from the Christmas lights. So we're going to take this oval prism and our stainless steel wire, and we're going to string it on there. We're going to push both of the sides up to where they overlap at the top, like so. And then I'm going to take my pair of pliers and I'm going to have one of these go straight up so that it's like this. And then I'm going to make this a little easier, I'm going to hold this right here with my pliers. And then I'm just going to wrap this around the wire that's going straight up. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut off my excess wire. And then I'm going to put my round nose pliers right at the top right there, and I'm going to bend that so that it's at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to put my pliers right there at the top so I can bring that around and make a loop. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach this to the bottom of this hummingbird. And put my pliers right here and then coil this back around a few times. And then I'm going to cut off the excess wire. And then for the top, to attach it to the tree, I'm just going to use this bit of jute. So I'm just going to string that through. Oh. And then I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot right here. And then I'm just going to do the same thing up here. And then that way this can be strung onto the tree and it hangs like that. So this is a new kit that's online at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.